Год, года, лет. They all mean years, but what's the difference? So, год is a year, like 1 year. Один год. Now, the problem in Russian is that whenever we hear the word один, even if it's part of a larger number, we automatically greet with singular. For example, 21, 21. Even though technically, of course, it's a plural number, our brain registers it as singular grammatically simply because we hear the word один, one. So in Russian, 21 years will literally be 21 year, 21 год. And this applies to any number ending in 1, no matter how large. 31 год, 41 год, 101 год, and so on. Okay, now let's look at года. Just remember, you must use года after any number ending in 2, 3, or 4. 2, 3, or 4. 2 года, 2 years. 3 года, 3 years. 4 года, 4 years. And again, this applies to any larger number ending in 2, 3, or 4. 23 года, 34 года, 82 года, and so on. Grammatically, it's because of the genitive case. I know it doesn't make much sense, but in Russian, numbers 2, 3, and 4 trigger genitive. Unleash the fury of the genitive case. In particular, genitive singular, which for the noun год would become года. Why is it specifically 2, 3, and 4 for genitive singular? I don't know. I'm just a messenger. But the great news is that this principle applies to any other masculine noun in Russian. For example, дом. Один дом, два дома, три дома, четыре дома. And then finally, after any other number, it would be лет. So basically number 5 and anything greater than 5, or again, any larger number ending in 5 or anything greater than 5. And this includes round numbers and even 0. For example, 5 лет, 10 лет, 20 лет, 28 лет, and so on. So why is лет so different from год or года? Honestly, I don't know, but it's natural to us native speakers, and if you're not a native speaker, that's just something you need to remember. But the good news is that it's the only noun in Russian that I can think of that changes like that, as in год to лет. For any other noun, it would be the same word, just with a different ending. So when we ask how old are you in Russian, by default we always use лет. Сколько тебе лет? Literally, how many to you years? And when you respond, you say мне, and then your age number, and then год, года, or лет, depending on your age. So, сколько тебе лет? Write in the comments. Столько лет, воды темные, тайну хранят, тебе не разгадать.